In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a depreciation subaccount for an asset in QuickBooks Online. This process is a great way to keep your financial records more organized, especially when you're tracking the depreciation of your assets. Understanding how to add a depreciation subaccount can make your accounting more precise and help you gain better insights into the value of your holdings over time. Let's get started by first navigating to your chart of accounts, which serves as the backbone of your accounting structure in QuickBooks Online. This section is crucial because it contains all the accounts that categorize your financial transactions, so getting this set up right will really pay off in the long run. Once you're there, look towards the top right of your screen where you'll see the option that says New Account. Go ahead and click on that. This step is where you'll start creating your depreciation subaccount. As you fill in the details for your new account, the first thing you'll need to do is to name it something identifiable, like depreciation. A clear and intuitive name will make it much easier to keep track of later, especially when you're reviewing your financial statements or generating reports. Once you've entered the name, you'll need to select the appropriate account type. For depreciation, you'll want to choose Fixed Asset. This classification helps ensure it aligns with your financial reporting objectives and maintains consistency in tracking your assets. Next up, you'll select the detail type, which should be Accumulated Depreciation. This option is designed to help you track the total amount of depreciation that has been accumulated on an asset over its useful life. It's not just another account. It's a crucial part of understanding the true value of your assets and how they decrease over time. After selecting the account and detail types, you have the choice to make this a subaccount. Look for a checkbox that says, Make this a subaccount, and click it. When you do this, you're enabling this depreciation account to serve as a subset of a larger account, which brings us to the next task, selecting the parent account. This is essentially the asset for which you are creating the depreciation subaccount. Choosing the right parent account is vital, because it ties your new subaccount to the correct fixed asset and helps in providing comprehensive insights into how that asset's value is changing. Lastly, with everything set up correctly, the last step is simply to click Save. You'll now see your depreciation subaccount nestled under its parent asset in the chart of accounts. With that, you're all set. You've successfully added a depreciation subaccount in QuickBooks Online, and this will help you maintain accurate records and better insights into the financial aspects of your business. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.